Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're here with AF Sister Hair, and y'all, I love this hair. Like, look at that hairline. Like, y'all, this was a great wig, I'm gonna tell y'all that. And the good thing about this wig is that the knots are single tie, so they're smaller than a lot of others. And right here I'm just showing you guys how it looked whenever you melt it on the back of your hand, because the lace was really thin, y'all. It did a real good job at blending. So right here, all I'm doing is just bleaching the knots and kind of showing y'all. It's a lot of videos on YouTube, so I didn't want to get too deep inside of it. But the main thing I want to say is control your consistency. Start off with the bleach powder and then just add a little bit of the developer, like little bit by little bit. Y'all can see I was still doing a little bit by little bit, but had it too runny. You want to make sure your brush can stand up in the bleach without tilting over. That's how you know, so it don't seep through and get on the hair or whatever. But let's talk more about this hair. So y'all, this hairline comes pre-plucked. I think it comes pre-bleached too, because you really don't even need to bleach it. I just did it for the purpose of this video because I kind of wanted to give y'all more longer in-depth videos or whatever for beginners. But y'all, look how good the hairline looks just sitting right there. But what I was saying was that this hairline is single tied. Now, if you know about hair, you know what I'm talking about. But if you don't, you don't. So usually when you have wigs with really thick knots, that means they were like double and triple tied. But you know, this one wasn't. So that's a plus because it made it look so natural. So y'all know I hate the ball cap, so I just skipped this part because I'm not finna show y'all something I am not good at. I'm gonna learn it some more, then I'm gonna give it to y'all so y'all can see better. Now, after y'all do y'all ball cap, all you want to do is put the makeup that's the color of your skin down on it. And right here, I just used some Got to Be in the black too, and I just slicked down the parts that weren't down all the way. But can we please get into this hairline, because y'all can't tell me this wig ain't raw. Now, I wish they would have sent me a longer one so the style could have looked better than what it did, but you know, I still made it work. The other thing the one thing I did not like about the wig was the parting space. Y'all know I love me a full frontal. It did not have a lot of parting space, but I still made it work, like, of course. But look, y'all, the hairline is so good on this wig. Like, it's not even glued down yet, melted yet, none of that, and it still looks great. Y'all can't tell me. So I use 3 layers of glue for this, but when I'm doing them on myself, I usually use like 1 or 2 because I don't keep wigs on that long. But for the purpose of this video, I wanted to give y'all a real review of the wig, meaning I want to show y'all how it looked after a few days or whatever. So after you put the glue down, you want to lay your lace down, but I always tell people cut your ear tabs off first. That helps a lot, because when you're sitting there trying to cut your ear tabs off, sometimes you lift the whole wig trying to cut it, just doing the most. And all I'm doing right here is just blow drying it down some. Now, I usually blow dry it on warm to hot, like hot or whatever. It's really personal preference. And right here, all I'm doing is just hot coming back, so I know what part to cut. You can cut your lace off with scissors or tweezers. I used both, but I didn't have any scissors. Any tweezers. Oh, I'm talking about tweezers, y'all. Excuse me. With scissors or an eyebrow razor. And I didn't have the eyebrow razor, so I used scissors or whatever. And make sure you guys let your glue turn clear before you lay your wig down. I know pieces of my glue was white, but I was kind of in a rush because I had to be somewhere and my hair wasn't done. So the style I'm going for is the style with the 2 ponytails at the top, as you guys are going to see. So what I did before I even styled my hair is go ahead and take out my baby hairs and like section it off how I want to, so I can hot comb it with the elastic band on if I wanted to, and all of that, just to make it simple. Can I just say one more time, let's get into this hairline. Y'all, that joint looks so natural. I got so many compliments about this looking like my actual hair. Like, y'all just don't understand. It looks so good, and I did not pluck anything. And I only let the bleach sit on there for like 10 minutes, if that. So I let the wrap sit on there for about 10 minutes, and y'all, look at that melt. You can't see where the lace started and where my skin started. I mean, where the lace ended and where my skin started, because it just looks so good. This is the best Swiss lace I've ever had my fingers on, y'all. The best. So I'm getting close to the end of this install, and I'm just doing some really simple baby hairs because I want this to look as natural as possible. I want to like my natural hair like I just did a little twist out of something. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment down for more video ideas or what you want to see. Like if y'all want to see a more in-depth video on how to bleach and pluck, let me know. If y'all want a more detailed install video, let me know. But y'all, look at that melt. Like I told y'all, this is one of the best wigs I've had with one of the best hairlines. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, like, share, subscribe, follow for more. It's all in the lace. It's all in the lace. Ah! Yo. Natural tease. Yes, this is my real hair. This is my real hair. Like, this is my real hair. Hey you guys, so this is my 1 week update on the hair. I just got back from Juicy, so I'm talking. I know y'all probably like she had a breath on fat and full. So anyway, this is the 1 week update. So far, I love the hair. Only thing I'm putting on is water conditioner. Like, everybody tell me I like a little girl in this town, but it's fine. But y'all see the hairline still, like, it looks good. It got a little dark because I was sweating and stuff, and like this little piece lifted. But other than that, it looks so good. Like, so that's another thing. I want to start coming to y'all with real hair reviews. A lot of these stylists don't give out real hair reviews. They just give y'all the install process. I want to start coming back with y'all a week later to tell y'all if it was napping up in the day, if it was doing this, doing that. It hasn't did nothing. It actually did way better than I expected. Because I usually don't take care of hair, but I tried to for this video because I know y'all, I do hair. So I know y'all take care of hair better than, like, you know, people who don't do hair because you don't want to get your hair done every week. But it's done good so far. It hasn't been any, like, tangling up in the neck, as y'all can see. I use water and Tresemme conditioner, and I just, like, combed it with a big comb or brush it with a white girl brush. So everything was, like, really simple. Like, still like it's still later. Let me see. But I just can't get past this hairline. Y'all, my edges are a little off, but it's fine. And don't mind me because I keep saying y'all, it's just how I talk. But other than that, if I swing them by, it'll be good. Y'all ain't gotta worry about that. So that's really the only thing is my edges. And then, like, you know, the lace look a little funny because I've been sweating a little piece doing hair. But yeah, make sure you guys shop AF Sister Hair. Make sure you guys book with me. Go to my Instagram, see some of my work at Hair by Tootie. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok too at Hair by Tootie also. And don't forget to show love because your girl coming to y'all with the real review.